Ah, malaking bagay na kailangan nilang makita muna. Kailangan nyo abangan. I'm so excited na ipapalabas na yung pilot and everybody.
Yung paghalaw nito sa Filipino, kultura natin, kamusta yung journey?
Hindi naging madali pero mahabang process. Pero the good thing is talagang sinigurado namin na ibang itong Bad Genius na to sa mga napanood na nila sa ibang franchise kumbaga sa ibang version.
Sobrang laking fan base ang nasa likuran mo bilang isang creative. Anong pressure yon?
Siyempre may pressure pero sobrang saya and na-excite ako na sobrang laki ng support ng fans ng tagito ng buong group para doon sa buong series.
Dahil alam ko sobrang solid din ang fans. Tash, kinakabahan ka?
Konti naman. Siyempre naman kasi first ko pong project. Pero sobrang grateful po ako to see everyone come here today. And I'm so excited for everyone to see Bad Genius.
Guys, from tawi-tawi pa yung ibang fans nyo. Kaya from Mindanao, Alida. It's insane.
Sobrang happy kami kasi wala pa man pero we feel the love and support already.
Hi, Gab. Congrats on sharing. Everyone's gonna see it already. What do you wanna say to the fans?
I just... No,
No,
I'm just super grateful. Thank you guys all for coming. Thank you for coming. We're just so excited, also very nervous at the same time. But everyone worked so hard on this. So maraming salamat.
Super grateful that everyone came here. Nakakataba ng puso. Siyempre pinaghirapan po namin to and sana po ma-enjoy nila.
Tash, eto na ang ito yung close-up mo para sabihin, actress ka na talaga.
Oh, it's a dream come true.
Ano yung mga pagkanda na naibigay mo yung talent, pero man tips binigay mom and dad mo?
To always just give my best and make sure that every day during taping, I always give my 100. Yan talaga. At always to keep a good heart naman. Of course. Yes.
Gyros, kamusta kayo? Kamusta yung group chat ninyo? Ano mga pinag-usapan ninyo?
Basta we're just really happy and excited na makarating sa araw na to at makarating sa araw na mapapanood na nilang lahat yung Bad Genius.
Yeah. Bakit kay Tash ko tatanungin, what's the group chat of Bad Genius like?
Makulit. Lots of energy. A lot of fun.
And different spelling of Bad Genius. Bad Genius.
Yeah, Bad Genius. Wala lang.
Bad Genius. Ano ka ba? I'm not sure if you heard I'm not sure if you heard my question, but I want to see what the mood is in the group chat of Bad Genius.
Kulit. Bad Genius.
Sino pinakamakulit?
Tash.
Bakit? Bakit siya makulit?
She's always,
Ball of energy
yeah.
namin eh.
She always has like high.
Laging nagjo-joke, laging makulit sa set. Pag inaantok na kami, siya pa yung may energy.
Yeah.
Anong joke mo, Tash? Joke mo.
Tingnan natin. Abangan mo na lang ng Bad Genius sa series.
Baka biglang gumulas na ako nagturo ng joke sa'yo.
Bakit green joke ba?
Hindi.
Akala ko green joke. Sabi ko, bakit ayaw mo i-share? No, but really, what do you want the fans to enjoy? Because of course,
Working with Jai, Haya, and Gab and seeing them act, they really gave their best talaga. And I'm so thankful that my first ever acting project was to be with them. And I hope that you guys enjoyed the journey that we all went through together. And I hope you guys enjoyed as much as we enjoyed taping.
thank you so much.